In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Gantt chart in Smartsheet. By the end, you'll know exactly how to get from the Smartsheet homepage to a clean, professional Gantt chart you can use to track your projects with confidence. First, open your preferred web browser and head to smartsheet.com. This is your starting point for building projects that are both structured and flexible. If you're working within an organization, make sure you have access through your company's plan so your work saves to the right workspace. Once you're on the Smartsheet homepage, you'll see the familiar layout that includes your recent items and templates, but for now, we're focusing on starting fresh. From the home area, look for the Create option. This is typically found near the top of the interface, and it's the quickest way to start a new project file. Click Create to open Smartsheet's Creation panel. This panel is designed to help you choose the right structure without getting bogged down in details. If you're new to Smartsheet, think of Create as your project launcher. What you pick here sets your framework so you don't have to build everything from scratch later. Within the creation options, choose Gantt. Selecting Gantt tells Smartsheet you want a project-style sheet with a timeline view built in. After you click Gantt, Smartsheet sets up a sheet that includes the grid for tasks on the left and the timeline bars on the right. This ensures you have the columns and formatting needed for dates, durations, and task hierarchy. Smartsheet may guide you through a brief setup, such as confirming default columns and project settings. That's normal and helps align the sheet to standard project practices. At this point, your Gantt chart framework is ready. You'll see a grid where tasks will live, alongside the timeline where bars appear as you add dates. The key advantage of starting with the Gantt option is that dependencies, durations, and schedules are supported out of the box, so you can immediately visualize how work lines up over time. If you're collaborating, this setup also makes it easy for teammates to follow progress and timelines. A few quick tips as you proceed: keep your task names short and consistent for easy scanning, use meaningful date ranges so the timeline fits your planning horizon, and consider grouping related tasks into sections for clarity. Later, you can explore features like switching between grid and Gantt views, adjusting timeline zoom, or enabling dependencies. But for now, you've successfully created the Gantt chart foundation you need in Smartsheet.